we have completed week 2. Everyone can speak to Jesus. And that is the 100% guilt-free zone when we're willing to have a conversation with Jesus and when we see that He is with us every step. Because I always wanted to be the heartbreaking riddle, the nut that couldn't be cracked. Rapunzeling herself away. So my experience with this program so far is that Jesus is giving me everything, serving it up on a beautiful platter with the willingness together in tandem with Him and my partner. The most beautiful words have come. We have spoken Jesus' word through our mouths, and we got to hear the depth of that coming through, and that is like nothing I've ever experienced. Because there is so much depth, there's so much deep in the real. It's limitless, and but things need to come up and out before that can be experienced more and more. So the highlight of the week was hearing what each of us wrote. Magnificently brilliant. And I knew it was in here somewhere. And that's the beauty of all this, is that I'm not in charge of it. And we don't see what is coming in the curriculum, which I think is very helpful. But I see that all the places that I've hidden me, like behind here, my lower back, behind my right ear, all the different hiding places, this program seems to, he like gets in there and he goes, oh, you okay? In the left lower back, okay. Oh, over here. But it's so beautiful, the timing of it. And to just go back to it, even when it seems like it could be the worst possible thing that could happen. So, in the movie, Bagger Vance had always, I'd seen it a few times as part of this week. And what struck out for me this time was, I think they worded it, play your game. And that's what I feel like I haven't stepped into at this point, playing my game. So I sit up tall because I want to play my game. And this week I've seen that I do want to be right on completing the functions and the assignments. There's a certain pep to that step that I want to be in. So I thank my partner, Lael Gold. A song just came through called LG Stylin', like 9 minutes of just my experience with her together, and I'm grateful for that. And I hope that at some point that can be shared with everyone. So there is limitless here now, and I can't figure it out. That's what I see. And I love how that it is prayed who are joined together on chapter 20 and the 90 days. So I hope to continue it, and I can be okay with not knowing the curriculum. So blessings from San Juan Cosala, signing off from 90 Day Program.